Thank you everyone for applying to the online educational internship for 500 students from Decibels Lab. It's a great privilege to have you hosted in our online screening test, then further on upon your selection to provide you a wonderful opportunity for learning. So in this video, I will be briefing about how to take part in the online screening test. So I'm Suraj, the course director at Decibels Lab. So to see that on how you will be able to take an online test, I will run you through our website. So you have to take part in the online screening test in our website. So how do you take part in the online screening test? The first important thing is you will be visiting our website, which is lms.decibelslab.com. So you have to go and sign in here, which is on the right-hand top corner. It is mandatory for all of you to sign in if you want to take part in the online screening test. So please use the same email ID and the password which you have used when you have applied for the 500 students educational internship. So when you sign in, you would be able to see this option called My Dashboard. So if you click on the option called My Dashboard, there will be a suitable test that will be updated on your My Dashboard screen. So right now there are three categories, which is basically for the electrical engineers and electronics engineers and mechanical engineers, and we're also from automotive, mechatronics and other areas as such. And there's a screening test for computer science students or information science students. So you won't see all the tests on your screen or on your My Dashboard. You will be able to only see a test that is which you have applied for. Right? If you have applied for a mechanical engineering, so you will be able to see the program called Screening Test July 2021 Mechanical, right? So if you have applied for electrical electronics, so you would see the same name which is visible on here. That's called Screening Test July 2021 Electrical and Electronics. So that is what will be available. So right now it is not available for you. So we will be updating these test programs about 6:30 p.m. IST today. All right, so that's the course you will have inside your My Dashboard. So how do you access the test? Right now, the test is not live. So all you have to do is, so you have to click on that program, okay? If you click on that program, it will display a screen like this for you, all right? Because we have not made the test currently live. So once the test is made live, the same test will be visible over here on your screen, all right? So what you have to do is exactly at 7 p.m. IST today, so you will be able to keep refreshing the screen, all right? If you refresh the screen, there will be one of the tests that will be visible over here. So it's a 45 question, multiple choice based quiz, also called as an online screening test, which would involve questions from various different sections, which was mentioned in the part of our description and the programs that you have applied for. That will include quantitative aptitude, reasoning aptitude. It also includes a bit of small programming that you have learned in the first year of engineering. It also includes certain questions from specifically of your domain, such as your electrical engineer. We will ask you some questions from electrical engineering departments. And if you're from mechanical, we'll ask you some questions from mechanical engineering department. And there are a few questions which are in general for all of you. So there are 45 questions. You only have 30 minutes to answer, all right? So it's all multiple choice based questions. So take your time. And it's not mandatory that you have to answer all the questions. You can answer the questions which you can in the given time duration. So that's the basic steps, how you will be able to take part in the online screening test. So I'll just repeat this procedure for you so that you would be able to follow me. So the first important thing is log into lms.decibelslab using the same email ID and password which you have applied for the internship. So when you log in, so you will be able to see the screen called My Dashboard, all right? So when you click on this option called My Dashboard, so you will be able to see a specific, course in the My Courses according to the program which you applied for. As I said, if you apply for mechanical, you'll see mechanical. If you have applied for electrical, you'll see electrical and electronics. And for computer science and information science, all right? These tests are very specific to the domain that you have applied for, All right. So guy who is from mechanical, if you're critical computer science, you would have a lot of questions with programming background. All right. So I believe, I'm sure you, when the right description is provided to you, because if you are from the right domain, you would have applied for the right, programs for the internship. So that's it. So when you click on at exactly at 7 p.m., the test will be live inside this each of the courses. So you just have to click on that and then you get into the screen. If you don't see the quiz at that time, so just keep refreshing the screen. So exactly at 7 p.m., we expected to have the test being live on the screen. Because there are more than 5,000 students close to who are attending the test, there may be a small delays in the technicalities. So all you have to do is just take a little bit of time and do refresh the screen. So the best suggestion I would give it to you is try to attend the quiz in your laptops than attending in your mobile phones. So it's really appreciated. Anyway, you would definitely require a laptop to take part in this internships, because without a laptop, there won't be any possibility that you can attend these internships, because all of them are practical and project oriented. So you have to install certain software which are open source and free, and then you would be able to take part in the test. The online internship. Cool. So that's all it is. There are some things that I want to mention, that what to do and what not to do. So what not to do, I told you what to do until now. So what not to do is, so do not retake the quiz or the test. So if you retake the quiz or the test, so your quiz or test will be considered as invalid. All right. So just take the quiz only for one time. All right. And this program is only applicable for students who are currently pursuing BE and BTech, because the AICT has made it mandatory. So it is required for those students to complete their academic 4 months of internship. So we are trying to help the students who are in the situation. All right. So the people who are graduates, please give an opportunity to our students who are studying. So do not take part in the quiz if you are not a student but a full-time student. So the third important thing is, so this online internships are not applicable for students who have already taken part in the last month's 500 students free internship program, because we want to create an opportunity for more number of students, right? So that's why we are opening up this program. So kindly do give an excuse to the new people who would like to complete the internships in this July month. So if you have still taking part in the screening test, so anyway, we will be filtering out all the students. So kindly do understand and do not take part in the test if you have already got selected in the 500 student list. Great. And then, so we would be updating a lot of details of the people who get shortlisted by tomorrow on our Instagram page, which is specifically here. If you see the students who have got shortlisted last month, so we have put their list here. All right. The same way we'll be putting the list of the students who are getting selected right now. So please do ensure that follow our Instagram page, so that we would be able to see the shortlisted students on our Instagram page. All right. So that's pretty much from my side to brief you on the complete the online screening test procedure. So I believe you understand the whole steps. So take it easy, take it calm. You can use Google, you can use your friend's help, you can do anything. So that just the thing is, do not retake the quiz. Just take it for one time and that's it. So you have 45 questions and then only 30 minutes available for you. So it's not mandatory that you have to, take the all questions. So that's it from my side. And thank you very much. And all the best for you to take part in the test. And we look forward to host you in the upcoming days of our internship. Thank you very much. Good day to you. All the best.